In Aztec times, chia seeds were prized for being versatile and healthy. Aztec warriors, known for their strength, ate chia seeds for a quick energy boost during battles. The word chia likely comes from the Aztec word chian, which means oily. This refers to the seed's high omega-3 fatty acids. Tiny chia seeds are packed with good stuff. They have lots of fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps you from getting constipated. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds are good for your heart and can help reduce inflammation. Chia seeds also give you lasting energy, perfect for staying strong. But be careful. If you eat chia seeds without drinking enough water, you might feel uncomfortable. People who have trouble swallowing or are allergic to sesame or mustard seeds should be cautious too. Per 100 grams, these super seeds have about 486 calories, 42 grams of carbs, 31 grams of fats, mostly omega-3s, and 16.5 grams of plant-based proteins. They also have important minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Now, let's talk about using chia seeds in your food. You can easily make your meals better by adding chia seeds to yogurt, smoothies, or making chia pudding. It's simple and makes your food tastier and healthier. Even though ancient civilizations are gone, we still use chia seeds a lot now. People like them for being healthy and easy to use in cooking. If you liked learning about chia seeds, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick nutrition tips. Stay healthy.